guys, welcome back to your girl Hemprezz YouTube channel, and we are doing a day in my life vlog. So guys, it is Sunday, March 9th, and Saturday, Friday I just wanted to relax. So now I'm gonna be running up and down like a headless chicken. Not really like a headless chicken, but I want to go to the supermarket and I want to go to the meat shop. So I'm going to go to the meat shop to get fish and chicken, and I want to go buy Los Sushan. I'm feeling for some Chipotle, so I'm going to check Los Sushan because I know Los Sushan have them nice thing that you say me can get the Chipotle sauce to do Chipotle. I have some ground beef in the fridge that I already thawed out, so I want to do like a beef bowl type of thing. I want to do something different today, Sunday dinner. So yeah, let's go on the road and see what I'm going on the Sunday. It's now 12:02. Me are going bad. Enough people Sunday dinner don't cook long time. I am pretty sure there are some people get up from 6 and don't cook already and I relax, while me just go shop. But that's how I go. I'm not stress myself over kitchen, and my family, them find things to eat in the house until the main dinner is served. Yeah, that's how I go. That's how I go. And I was like, go. But you guys. I just left the meat shop. I went to Los Sushan. My phone died, so I did not get enough clips, but I did not see the Chipotle anything. I got the taco sauce and tortilla wrap, because with the ground beef they can make that during the week or stuff like that. So I like to cook and remix the food throughout the week, so I'll cook a lot of food on Sundays, but then I like to create meals that can be remixed. Like in the jerk chicken, we'll have fries. If them people like do some fries, the kids can have fries with the jerk chicken. I can make a salad with jerk chicken. I can make a wrap, you know, like, yeah. So I tend to cook like that. This week is not a big cooking. I'm just going to do some fish from my husband, you know, him not eat meat. So I need to get some other stuff from the supermarket. I'm going to stop at Mega Mart to see if Mega Mart have the Chipotle sauce thing. Even though Mega Mart is pretty crowded on a Sunday, like Sundays are just crazy. I may have to do my own version of it, do the bowl thing, but without the Chipotle sauce. I'm going to order it on Amazon because I really don't want to waste my time. Forgot all the way to Mega Mart now, and then they don't have it. So I don't even know. I don't know. You know, I don't know what to do. And it's now 2:12. What time am I telling you? I leave out of the house 12. After 12 I left, right? It's now 2:12, like 2 hours. 2 hours since we're up on the road. Oh, meat shop is crowded, guys. I went to Gibbo. That's where I always go. Gibbo on downtown Harbor Street there, so because they're very priced. The price is reasonable and the meat is fresh. Yeah. So me endure the crowd and the wait time because I know me I gonna get good quality meat. But yesterday I was just not having it. It was just one of those moments when I just feel to just stay home. I do some laundry and I just chill at home. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be making because the Chipotle sauce is what I'm gonna call it Chipotle. What am I gonna call it? Chicken in a bowl? I don't know. If I don't get the Chipotle sauce, I can't call the meal Chipotle. So I guess me I gonna say Chipotle copycat. You guys? But yeah, so before I forget, let me do my subscriber count. Ooh guys, I'm shaking. I'm so sorry. So as of today, March 9th, my subscriber, we're currently at 467 subscribers. Yeah. I need to get guests doing it. So my driver like Matang full, Matang empty. Guys, I'm gonna get it. My for just order it next time online and then do it. So for today's dinner, I'm gonna think I'm gonna do the chipotle thingy. I might just do the ground beef bowl and just call it a day. Still I'm gonna make the cilantro rice and stuff. So yeah, I keep it interesting still, but I was hoping for the chipotle. Oh my god.
That's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. They grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we keep getting it.
Mali, get away, those. Jesus, the fire, she like coding. Until I. Wow.
That music name I touch.
Alright guys, so I am done finally and I'm gonna have a bite. So let me tell you how it tastes. This looks so good and nice. And not because I'm me cooking. This tastes so good.